Okay, because I'm so smart, I forgot to turn the mic on. Yeah, most of this video is fast forward. Excuse my throat, it's itchy. Most of this video is fast forward, but there are times where I stop and talk. Yeah, so whatever. I will try to talk you through this. First things first, showing the number one step, which is that curve pole. You're going to put the, the eye bolt set in there. Now, one thing, if you don't know about bolts and stuff like that, they are kind of cool on the instructions. They're not really colorful, but there is one deal that shows you, and you can look on the bolt, that it's blue. So you know the blue, when you put the bolt in, the blue sticks out. So that's pretty helpful if you don't, if you don't know what you're doing, whatever. See, that's show you that sticks out. Because some people don't know, whatever. So here I go once again. I'm gonna put it in there. So I'm gonna stop talking for a moment. Okay, so right here, I have already got the eye bolt in there, and I am taking the little top. It's a little black top. You'll see those in with the plastic bag, the plastic stuff. You snap it right on top. Now, I'm gonna show you here, I think on this one, I don't have the bolts lined up. So yeah, so that's why it doesn't sit flat. But you can always go back and line them up, whatever. It just keeps it from, the water, the rain and stuff like that. So your bolts and stuff last longer. So yeah, and I keep showing that they're not lined up, whatever. So I'm going to stop talking again. Okay, so right here, that is the canopy part. That thing is really annoying because the little, look like bat wings, are just move all over the place, when you're dealing with it. So very annoying. But you're just kind of putting that on there just to have it on there and then tighten it up. So I don't know why I'm looking so confused. I guess because here comes the other part that you got to put together. So that's on there. And once again, I'm going to stop talking because I'm going to gather these pieces to do number 3. Alrighty. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you once again, the blue is sticking out, and that, those bolts they're like that in the package. It's already together. So number 3 kind of shows you how the bolt and the nuts go on. So basically, just like it is in the package, is the same way it goes back on. So that's basically what I'm saying right there. Yeah, so stop talking again. Okay, so right here, I'm still on number 3. That thing, it is a little awkward to put together by yourself. So if you had another person to help you, it'd probably be a lot easier. The deal it can get heavy. I mean, it's not super heavy, but it can get heavy. So if you can get someone to help you, that would probably be a lot better. I'm not talking again. Once again, okay, so I am still talking. Basically, I'm just saying those little, there's some little tighteners. I don't know what you call them. I don't even know what they call them. Just some little twisty things that go, there they are right there. So they go underneath on the bottom. And I'm going to stop talking now. We're still on number 3. So that's what I'm showing you right there. Those go on the bottom and we're still on number 3. Okay, so right here I'm working on number 4, and as you can see, the camera gradually slides down. Don't ask me why I did not flip the. You can flip the visual part. So stupid on the camera. But anyway, so now I'm showing you number 4, and that goes on the inside because it doesn't really. I can't really see on the instructions. Well, now that I'm looking at them. Yes, the dent does go on the inside, so I did it correctly. But now looking at the instructions, you can plainly see where it says end result that the dents are on the inside. They're not on the outside. So that's what it tells you. The dents are not on the outside of the instructions. So make sure the dents go inside. So when it rocks back and forth or wherever it rocks, it gives it that kind of looseness or whatever. So once again, I'm going to stop talking. So right here, I am dazed and confused. It doesn't take much. Anyway, so we are on number 5 right now. After you put the little funny, almost look like horns, whatever, together. That bar part in the back that's number 5. So I put it together, and once again, I'm showing we are on number 5, and that's where the bar goes on the back side. And then you move on down to the G, I guess, K, and however you want to do it, G, H, K, whatever's next. Yeah, I think I went G, H, and then did the arms, which is K. So I'm gonna stop talking again. So here comes my little helper while I'm putting the arms on. And it's so funny. I know this has nothing to do with nothing, but I know everything's in fast forward. But to watch her move, like she moves extremely faster than me. It's so funny. Like she's got the screwdriver and digging in the dirt, and she's just moving. It's so funny. But anyways, I'm putting the arms on. So I've just showed that, okay, I'm about to, since we can't see, I lifted it up and put it on the hook. So there we go. It's hanging, and now I am putting the net, the seat part on, which that took a minute. That's really annoying. But I can say what I do like about this chair. I know how to sew, so if I ever have to replace the net part, it can be replaced. I mean, you just use the old pattern for a new pattern. And you can always buy more of the twine stuff that you wrap around. And same thing for the cushion. If you know how to sew, you can just re-sew all that. And if the bars, I'd say, I mean, unless you're just super heavy and you break it, well, whatever. But if the bars get rusty or anything, you just repaint the whole thing, redo or even you can even find somebody to make the cushion and remake the net deal. Just give it a paint job and redo the stuff. I don't even. There's no way I'm throwing this thing away, because I can tell you, man, that this chair here is really awesome to sit in, because one slight move you make, you just kind of rock. It's just like a rocky motion. It's not like you're swinging or nothing crazy, but it's just like you're a rocking motion. So if you sit in it, you're probably gonna fall asleep. But anyway, so yeah, right here I'm putting the deal on. Okay, so of course I put the umbrella on. It was a little like, wait, how does this go? But then you figure it out. It's really easy. And now I'm putting the cushion on, which that really top first piece, it folds over. As you can see, I wasn't paying attention, but the feet part is too far down, so the top part folds over like a pillow. So I was like, oh, okay, so you have to actually pull it up. You'll see I'll pull it up in a minute. But yeah, that's that. As you can see, you can put it together by yourself. As you see my daughter sitting there saying, hey, it folds over. It's like, okay, duh. But anyways, you can do this by yourself, but I would say if you wanted to hurry up and get it done pretty fast, I would have somebody help you. Okay, this is it, and see you next time.
Awesome, bossum. I love it. Floaty chair.